Hey there, Christopher Thunder here from the World's Dirtiest Workshop. I'm here in the world's not so dirtiest kitchen doing some pots and pans and sink renewal. And I'm going to stuff this camera in my pocket so you can see what's going on. So here's what I got going on. I've got a pan which has some pretty heavy stains on it. And I've been working at it for about 10 minutes or so. This was all brown and black and really wasn't very nice. What I'm going to do is get some dishwashing paste here, and I'm just going to lay the pan upside down on the edge of the sink here. Now, the paste gets into the pores of the metal and can actually bleach out some stains. If you've ever used Clorox, you'll find that it tends to brighten up stains. And that's the bleaching effect of the Clorox. That's why I use it on sinks, like white porcelain sinks. The problem is it eats away at the porcelain sink until it no longer shines, and then it's just a dull sink. But what you can do is you can use it with emery paper. So I'm going to get a little bit more of that stuff there. You can use it with emery paper to remove the stains from the bottom of a pot. Now, some people are really anal retentive about how their pots look. Me, I'm just making a video and I'm having fun doing it. But this is how you learn stuff, right? Little 80 grit emery paper and a little dishwashing paste. We would call that Clorox cleanser. Let's see how well we did. So I'm going to try to keep you in shot here. Wow, that's a lot better. Am I going to spend hours and hours and hours polishing this pan? No, I'm going to put this thing away. It's done. So that is how I clean up my screw-ups in the kitchen using the gas burner. Because when I'm deep frying stuff, I make a huge mess. I do. And the pans get all brown and black and they get disgusting, and you almost want to throw them away. Just from deep frying. Yes, I am a Westerner. Yes, I love my chicken McNuggets. Yes, I do. And my French fries. But it ruins pots and pans. So, if you're going to do this kind of work, be patient. Use emery paper, 80 grit or finer. Use dishwashing paste, something with a bleaching effect, and a little bit of grit in it. And you should be able to renew your pots and pans and get them shining pretty nice. Thanks for watching. Bye.